Hello, today we will guide you through how to log out of Claude AI. If you need to sign out of your Claude account, the process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to expect on screen. This is helpful if you're using a shared computer, switching accounts, or simply want to end your session for privacy and security. To begin, open Claude in your web browser. You can do this by going to the Claude website and waiting for the page to load fully. Once you're in, you should see the main Claude interface on screen. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your workspace or chat area. Next, look toward the bottom left part of your screen. This is where your profile section is typically located. Depending on your screen size or browser window, it may appear as your profile icon, your account name, or a small account menu area. Click on your profile to open the account options. When the profile menu appears, take a moment to look through the available choices. You should see an option labeled Logout. Click on Logout to sign out of your Claude account. After you click Logout, Claude will log you out of the current session. In most cases, you'll either return to the sign-in screen or be redirected to a page where you can log back in if needed. If that happens, that's a good confirmation that the logout was successful. As a helpful tip, if you're using a public or shared device, it's a good idea to make sure the session has fully ended before closing the browser window. You can also close the tab once you've confirmed that you're logged out. This adds an extra layer of privacy and helps prevent anyone else from accessing your account from that device. If you don't immediately see the profile section, try expanding your browser window or checking the lower left corner carefully, since interface elements can sometimes shift slightly depending on your display. And that's all it takes to log out of Claude AI. The process is simple. Open Claude, click your profile in the bottom left, and then select Logout. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you sign out quickly and confidently.